Hi, in this video we are going to see what is termux application and what are its features. Termux is an Android application emulator and Linux environment app that works directly with no routing or any set requirements. A minimal based system is installed automatically. You can add additional packages by using apt package manager, and it is also secured for remote services using the SSH client for OpenSSH. So before going to the further explanation, I am going to tell you what is OpenSSH. OpenSSH is a suite of security related networking level utilizes based on the security protocols. Means there are some of the protocols which are carried out through the termux application. And also OpenSSH helps you to secure network communication via the encryption of a network traffic over a multiple authentication methods and by proved by security tunnels capabilities. So this is all about OpenSSH. And next, coming to the feature packets that are nano, gripping through the SMS box, base, and also exploitable packages which are available on the termux are similar to the Linux operating system and also Mac, and installing man pages on your phone and reading them in one session while experimenting with them in another. And also it consists of some of the add-ons like Terminal API, which exists the Android and Chrome hardware features. And the second one is termux boot. Run a script with your device booting. Means it allows you to boot your Android device. And next one is termux float. Run a termux in a floating windows. And next, termux styling. Termux styling allows you to color schema and powerline ready fonts, customizing the appearance of the termux terminal. Means you can change your alphabets present in the termux in the form of stylish way. And next is termux task, an easy way to call termux executable form, taskers and compatibility apps. And at last, termux wizard. Termux wizard starts a small script table from the home screen. So these are the add-ons and features of Android termux application. So that's all in this video. Thank you.